Hello friends, welcome to Windows, and in today's video you will learn how to repair Microsoft Edge browser. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open setting app, and for that you need to click on the start button and then select settings from the start menu. Now on the left side you need to switch to apps, and then on the right side you need to select installed apps. Now here you need to scroll down until you find Microsoft Edge app. Click on this three dot icon and then select modify. When USD dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now this will open repair Microsoft Edge with a description that repairing Microsoft Edge require internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and setting won't be affected. Click on repair button and this will start downloading the latest version of Microsoft Edge browser available, and once done, perform the installation. Once the repair process completes, Microsoft Edge browser will open automatically and fix any issue. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.